Hi, my name is David Goldie. I am from Lompoc, California, Wild West Pizza, and the name of our pizza is Smoked Signals and Sweet Talk. This pizza, we make it on a sourdough crust, and the hardest part about the pizza is actually spreading the cream cheese. So you want to let it soften up a little bit, and then it's pretty easy to spread it with a spoon. So we spread the cream cheese on the bottom, then we cover it with the California mozzarella, and then a whole heap full of smoked brisket, and then red onions, roasted jalapenos, and then a sprinkle of the cheddar cheese on top, and then we bake it. And when it's finished, we finish it off with cilantro and a drizzle of the raspberry chipotle barbecue. Pizza has 3 different types of California cheese on it. It starts with a cream cheese that we infuse with raspberry chipotle barbecue sauce, and then it's also topped with the whole milk mozzarella and a slightly sharp California cheddar. It's been a great learning experience, and we've just had a great time here.